Hi, today I'm going to do a worked example for you on how we solve simultaneous equations by substitution. So here is our example. We've got y equals x plus 2 and we're going to call that equation 1, and 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. We're going to call that equation 2. Now what we've got here is we've already got one equation where we've got y in terms of x. So when we're solving by substitution, that's what we're aiming to do. We're aiming to get one variable in terms of another. So now we can substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So what that means is wherever we see a y over here, instead of y, we're going to write it in terms of x. So that gives us 3x minus 4. Now instead of y, we're going to put x plus 2, and that is equal to negative 1. So now when we expand out our brackets, we'll have one equation and one unknown, which we know how to solve. So we've got 3x, now we've got negative 4 times x, so that's negative 4x, and we've got negative 4 times positive 2, so that's negative 8, is equal to negative 1. And let's call that equation 3. We've just simply numbered on, so we have 1, 2, and now 3. So 3x minus 4x gives us negative x, minus 8 is equal to negative 1, so all we've done is simplified there. So if we add 8 to both sides, that will give us negative x is equal to negative 1 plus 8 is positive 7. And now we're going to divide both sides through by negative 1 because those negative 1s here will cancel, and we get x is equal to negative 7. So that is half of our answer. So we'll call that equation 4, or equation 4. So now we substitute 4 back into 1. So we know that x is negative 7, so y will equal negative 7 plus 2, which is equal to negative 5. So our solution here is x is equal to negative 7, y is equal to negative 5. But just to make sure that we're correct, what we need to do is to substitute that back into our second equation, so sub into equation 2, and we can check. So 3 times negative 7 minus 4 times negative 5 is equal to 3 times negative 7 is negative 21, minus 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. So we've got two negatives that add to make combine to make a positive. So negative 21 plus 20 is equal to negative 1, and you can see that's our answer up there. So we have now confirmed that this is our answer, and we've double checked to make sure that it is correct. So that is how we solve by substitution.